Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel Southern Yankee. Today I'm really excited. It is time for our monthly glamour jewelry box, and this is a 3 pieces of jewelry subscription that comes once a month. You can get this monthly, or you can do like a 3-month or a 6-month subscription. I was just on the website and I think they have something where if you do it quarterly, when you sign up, you'll get a free jewelry box. If I can find a picture of it, I'll put it up on the screen for you guys. So this is $29.95 a month, and you get 3 pieces of jewelry that you know will be at least $25 for each piece. So you're looking at about a $75 value for $29.95 a month. And if you use my code, which is just Terri, I'll put that on the screen here for you as well. If you're a new customer, you can use my code and you'll get a 4th piece of jewelry valued at least 25 bucks. So your first box will be about a $100 value for the $29.95. You can cancel or skip a month at any time. What I like about that is if you just want to get jewelry a few times a year, you can sign up for the monthly subscription and then just skip the months you don't need the jewelry, and then let it go through the months that you do. Maybe you have a birthday coming up and you want jewelry that month, or it's a holiday and you want jewelry that month. So this is a nice way to sort of build your collection. It comes in this beautiful sort of pink rose gold packaging, which is new. It used to come in a box and they redid for sustainability and ease of packaging, and I actually prefer this than the boxes. They're easier to break down for me, and sometimes I can reuse the bubble wrap too, the bubble mailer. So let's get in and see what we have for the month. I think these are actually April's pieces because I just got May's in the mail, so we're gonna do another one probably in a week or 2. So it says, girls should be 2 things, classy and fabulous, Coco Chanel. This month's jewelry was selected to make you feel classy and fabulous. Get ready for a fun glamour jewelry time. And it comes in a little pouch right here. It says glamour jewelry. All 3 pieces are in there, and there's usually like little cards that go with each piece that tell you the name of the piece of jewelry and the value and a little bit about them. Okay, so I'm going to also take off all of my jewelry and show you guys. I always do live try-ons with the jewelry. People have asked me, this is not a subscription where you're like, oh, if you like the jewelry, you keep it, and don't like it, send it back. Nope. This is a 100% keep box. So when you get this in the mail, everything is yours to keep. You don't mess with sending anything back. It's all yours. And I think you can pick right now between, I know they have gold and silver, but sometimes I think I got rose gold. If I had my choice, I would probably pick mostly rose gold, but I like a mix. I do wear all 3 metals, so as you saw, I was wearing gold today. All right, so let us get into here. So the first piece I'm seeing is a bracelet. It's called the Division Street Cuff, and it says that the sleek and modern cuff pairs well with any style. It's as chic as it is classic, making it a jewelry box staple. The retail price is $26, and this is from the Laurel Rose collection. So let's try this pretty bad boy on. Ooh, this is pretty. And those of you that follow me on my Facebook group page, which is also Southern Yankee, that'll be linked below in the description box, you guys know I like to wear a lot of arm candy, that I enjoy wearing jewelry. I typically wear them on my left because I don't want the bangles to like mess up when I'm writing. This is really pretty. It's got kind of a laser cut to it, almost like a diamond cut, which even though there's no sparkle on there, the way that they cut the metal is causing it, and see, twist at the bottom, it's causing it to look really shiny, although it's not gliss. There we go. It looks like it is really, really sparkly the way they cut it. So I'm just going to, and it's one of those bracelets that you can pinch in a little. You can wear it like this if you want, so that it's probably just going to hang the way it hangs. Or you can, of course, leave it up like that. And this will be a great little piece to, I think I would prefer it this way, to wear with a lot of other items. I think that's really, really, really beautiful. So there is our first piece, and that is a $26 value. So you almost got the value of your box with just that one item. All right, the next piece is the Sydney earrings. These look interesting. These have a delicate and simple design, making it easy to wear and easy to love. These are from the Ashland Avenue collection. These are a retail of $27. It's funny, these look like a mini version of what just came in my FabFitFun style box that I did not keep, but these are larger. And the reason, these aren't the same, but they're kind of got that bar style. The reason I didn't keep the other ones is they were so baby. They were so tiny. And you guys know I like bigger earrings. These are a dangle. They slide through your ear. And can you guys see? They are encrusted in beautiful, beautiful bling. So let me hold those up together. These are kind of hard to hold up. And then I'll try them on and I'll zoom in once they're in my ears. But they've got really, really pretty crystal. Oh, I just dropped one. Really pretty crystals. Aren't they pretty? Okay, I have them on my ears. I will zoom in and give you a closer up view of these as soon as I get the necklace on. So we're only changing the camera angle one time. The next one looks like an infinity necklace. This is by Sophia Collection. It is the Riley necklace, and it is a $28 value. The Riley necklace is a timeless piece that is a perfect grab-and-go option. The necklace is stunningly simple to wear as it carries a subtle sparkle and shine. And again, it's $28. We're at about an $80-ish value for the box. And I got the gold collection this time. It does have, so this does have a really good, decent size extender, so you can wear this a little longer. This is a very delicate, dainty piece. I actually like this a lot. I like to wear these pieces and layer them with other pieces, and it's got the really beautiful, it's not focusing, but it's got a really beautiful crystals on it. I'm trying to get the, hold on. I'm trying to get it to, maybe if I come in, is that better? It feels like it's still not really wanting to. You guys, I know you can see it, but it's not showing up as pretty. It's still showing up kind of fuzzy. But let's put that on. Maybe when I come in close, it will give you guys a better look-see at it. So this is the Riley necklace. I like necklaces I can wear kind of close up to my neck, because they're you almost don't even know they're there. They're super comfortable. I could have made that a little bit tighter. And disregard my chest, guys. I'm having like breakouts all over my skin right now. I'm not really sure why. So my face included. So it's just something I'm having to deal with. But let's zoom you beautiful babes in and show you the earrings first. See, all over my skin, I've got breakouts. But here are the beautiful earrings. Very, very pretty. That's a better one. And then the necklace, right here. Very, very pretty. Gorgeous piece. All right, friends, so that is the Glamour Jewelry box. That was April's box. You guys will be getting probably May's box. My May box is here. If you're interested in seeing that, I'll try to get that video up in like a week or so. Otherwise, it may be a little bit later, but if you're really interested in getting the box, you want to see what May's is before you purchase this, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll hurry up and try to get that video up for you guys. So again, my code is Terri, T-E-R-R-I. That will give you a extra free piece of jewelry. And then of course we've got the gorgeous bracelet. I think the bracelet is probably this month my favorite piece, but you guys let me know in the comment section what you like the best. Do you like the earrings, the necklace, or the bracelet? Which one is your top piece or your favorite item? So I'll see you guys all in the next video. Subscribe if you want to get more notifications and know when I post videos. It's actually a really good idea with me. I know some YouTubers are able to get their videos up like at the same time and the same day every single week. With my schedule, I am unable to do that. So the very best way to be notified, because you'll notice I upload at least 3 videos a week, and sometimes more. However, it is random when they go up. I have been having some issues getting them up, so definitely hit that bell and subscribe so that you get the notifications and you know when I have new videos up. All right, he's mowing the lawn out there. I gotta run. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.